For whatever reason, this is what TradingView has front and center right now. I have no idea why this doesn't look good at all. Just look at, oh my god. 2021 profit margin negative 49.5%. Do I even need to say more? Do I even need to spend any more time? Also, look at how unnatural these gaps up are. Oh my god. Misses earnings, gaps up astoundingly. It's wild. Let's look at the float on it. Okay, so I mean, not the craziest, low insider ownership, but the institutionals, I mean, pretty 50-50. It's not the most crazy thing. Again, we had 86 on VFC, and then CMG had 96% institutional ownership. That's way overextended. I'm gonna go grab my coffee real quick. Thank you so much for understanding. Feel free to check out my website in the meantime. Join the Discord. Play your favorite song on Spotify or something. It'll only be a minute or two. I'm gonna grab my coffee and creamer and all that.